pause and imagine a world painted in bold strokes of red, white, and blue. These colors, woven into America's flag, weren't chosen at random. They echo the beauty and power of nature itself. Red mirrors the fiery sunsets that blaze across the American plains and the vibrant cardinal birds darting through dense forests. White recalls the snowy peaks of the Rockies and the purity of wild daisies blooming along quiet trail sides. Blue evokes the endless expanse of the sky, the depths of mighty rivers, and the majestic blue jay's feathers. Early American leaders, inspired by these natural wonders, chose these colors to symbolize courage, purity, and perseverance. At Trailside Elementary Library, a woman librarian with blonde hair and glasses shares this story with children of various ethnicities. Surrounded by books and the flag's colors, these young readers learn that the red, white, and blue were borrowed from the land they call home. Each star and stripe is a tribute to the adventure and freedom found in nature's own palette, inviting every